You have 3 seconds to captivate the attention of a stranger on the internet, and you are still saying, hello guys, hello ma, good day guys, hello everybody, good night sir, good night ma. What does that have to do with us? In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram ads that actually work. Instagram ads are not for you to just be throwing money as meta. If your ads are not bringing in sales, then it's probably because you are not doing some of these key things. So let's get into it. You don't know your audience. How are you running ads and you don't know who you're targeting? You don't know who you're targeting. You're targeting 18 to 60-year-olds. Is your product for everybody? Everybody want your products? You don't know who your audience is. You don't know their interests. You don't know what they want. You don't know how your product is going to help them achieve their specific goals. You need to sit down and think about it. Who are your audience? Where do they reside? What do they like doing? Where do they hang out? Are they Gen Zs? Are they millennials? Are they women? Are they men? Are they children? Are they mothers? What exactly are they? Know your audience. Do you know you have 10 remaining? Do you know you have 3 seconds to captivate the attention of a stranger on the internet, and you are still saying, hello guys, hello ma, good day guys, hello everybody, good night sir, good night ma. What does that have to do with us? You need to be, your hook needs to be a scroll stopper. If you are targeting business owners, you say, oh, are you having a problem with finding sales on Instagram? If you're a skincare vendor, you can say, oh, does that acne seem want to last forever on your face? You call out your audience by their problem. Your Facebook has to be a scroll stopper. If you have boring videos, if you have boring ads, will equal to no clicks. No clicks equals to no conversion, no sales. It's as simple as that. Nobody clicks on an ad because it is free. What exactly are you offering us, and why should we care? Are you saying we're getting 50% discount if you order today? Stay there. Are you a skincare vendor? You can say, oh, this is only for people that want clear skin forever. Stay there and tell us why. And don't forget your CTA. That is your call to action. What do you want us to do next? Do you want us to click the link in your bio? Stay there. Do you want us to send a message on Instagram? Stay there. Let us know the next steps to take whenever we see your ad. All of these will help you to see more results with your ad running on Instagram. One thing you need to know is that the first ad you create will probably not be the winner. That's why you need to test. You need to keep testing. Test different things. Test out different captions. Test out different carousels. Test out different images, different hooks. Test out different budget. Test out different audience. Know which one. Read and know which one is working, which one people engage more with, which one people leave more comments on, which one people click more on. View the analytics and read, and then you double down on the one that is working. Always test, always test, always test. Before I go, let me just say this: Instagram ads work when you do them right, when you know your audience, when you're able to grab attention, and you know how to make a clear offer, and you test, and then you test. I'm telling you, you will see results on your Instagram ads. Don't be among people that say, oh, Instagram ads don't work. What are you not doing right? There are things that you're not doing right. Fix up on all of these things and watch your Instagram ads skyrocket. And don't forget, if you need more effective marketing tips like this, more Instagram marketing tips, don't worry. Just hit that like and follow button for more Instagram tips like this so that we can grow your business together effectively this year 2025. I'll see you again very, very soon.